What's up, guys? My name is Jasem, and today we are back again playing The Flame in the Flood. On the last part, guys, I died. I died a horrible death. I starved to death. This time, let's see what happens. I'm gonna continue. Why is my game lagging? What? I thought I crashed, but I did not. Yo! I can crash on telephone poles? Bruv, why is my game lagging? Nah. Wait. I see first aid or something like that. Let me check out. Okay, and docking. First then, a clinic. Medical supplies. I need medical supplies. Some alcohol. Okay. Oh, my inventory is full. I'm like, wait a minute. Okay, let me clear some things from my inventory to the raft. To the Batmobile. Nah, yo. I clicked on by accident. How can I cancel? Can I cancel? Is it even possible to cancel? Please, I need supplies. Please, game. No. No. I can't. The game won't let me. Bro. My medical supplies, I need them. I'm hungry. I need water. I need sleep. My raft needs repairing. I missed. How did I even misclick? Bro, why did I even misclick? Bro. I'm tripping. Bro, I'm tripping. Camp Laszlo. Need to go to a campsite. Camp. Nah, this time. Jars, nuts and bolts. Thin gloves. Do I have gloves on my person? Yes, I got gloves. I got better gloves. Ooh, a fire. Let me cook something later. For now, loot. I got salt. Now with meat I can make jerky. Is the trap with me because I feel like I'm in danger? I don't know why, but I feel like. Okay, the trap is with me. So any wolf or Pumbaa pounces me, they're dead. Okay, I need to eat because. What? Ill equipped? How? From. Oh, I guess. The cold, I guess. Eat the rabbit meat. Oh, I see Pumbaa. I see Pumbaa. Yeah, yeah, in the back of the bus. I see Pumbaa. Should I kill Pumbaa? Yes or no? I got some rags. Rags are fine, useful. Some more rags. Oh no. Pumbaa, Pumbaa. Yo! Nah! Pumbaa cheated. Pumbaa was invisible. I couldn't see him. Nah. Okay, I need to sleep first. I need to sleep. Okay, sleep. The rain stopped. Okay, Pumbaa. You sly fox. Come here. Charge. Charge me. Charge me. I dare you. I double dare you. Huh? Ah. Thank you. The Pumbaa died. Finally. I killed Pumbaa. Timon is alone. Simba, I am sorry. Okay, I thought I couldn't make it, but I did. Often has alcohol. Okay. I hear bunny rabbits. I hear Bugs Bunny. But I'm good on food for the moment. And I see a wolf. Yo, run, run. Can the wolf come here? Bro, that was a very risky move. Yo, I thought of using the jar of fumes, the gas bomb, I mean, but I was like, nah, I better run. Bob the Builder. Bruv, I'm dancing with the wolf. Why? Come, come. Wolf son. Yo, yo. Yeah, my fault, but I still caught you as lacking. Bruv, if there is another wolf, I'm leaving cause, yeah. I see aloe vera. Aloe vera is nice. When poison ivy, for poison ivy I mean. Wait, is that it? No, no, no. Surely this is a joke. I came from here. Let me. Oh. Oh, alcohol. I got some alcohol Alcohol. Time to make a bandage. 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 I made a bandage. Should I use the bandage? Yes. Oh, I found some jerky. Not starving today. Yes, sir. Alcohol, nuts and bolts. Dandelion. Jerky again. Oh, I got jerky for days. That's good. Oh, dandelion. Thank you, Aesop, for dandelion. Yeah, I don't want to stay here because only for bunny rabbits, no, not worth it. Oh, the music be hitting. Okay, church. Can I make it to the church? Sunday. Closed on Sunday. Hey. You're merciful. Yeah. Food shelter often has rags, sitting it, and alcohol. Okay. I'm Muslim, so yeah, alcohol is fine, but not for drinking. Yes, found some alcohol. Rough schematic. If they, I see ants not falling. Oh, I see a wolf. Hey, yo, big man. No. Yo, huh? Huh? Yo, 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 yo. Okay, I need to be inside of the wolf. The wolf pounces me. Okay, let me turn my back. Yo! Wolf! Pounce me, baby! Okay, okay. Ah! Bro, he got insane range! Huh? Okay. But how? He had insane range. Yo, I got cloud in my face. I need a bandage. I can make that. Can't I? Yes. He got insane OP range. Yeah, I need some sleep. Okay, finally. I start that trunk. Oh, fresh water. Fill jar. The ants are still awake. Oh, stitching kit and alcohol. Nice. Nice to have both. I see Pumbaa. Nah, I see Pumbaa in the corner of my eye. Okay, you can have that, Pumbaa. I'm not fighting you for anything. Let's sleep first. Because it's raining. It's hard to see. Yes, I see Pumbaa. Yeah, I see Yuka. Yeah, I don't need that. Because not messing with Pumbaa, because Pumbaas are vicious. At least wolves, you can scare them away. Pumbaas don't get scared. They are vicious animals, Pumbaa. But still, I'm greedy, no? I still want some loot. Yeah, no. Mm-mm. Is Pumbaa following? Nah. For a second there, I was like, yo. What? The bird is standing on what? Nothing? Yeah, not. Can't. Oh. The currents. Yeah, not gonna make that, so yeah. Not even trying. Oh, our repair station. Is that a repair station? I forgot. No, that is a repair station. I need to go and repair my thing. Don't crash, man. Don't crash. Yes, that is a repair station. Yes. Can I upgrade my raft? Please tell, can I can upgrade my raft? So let's take some fuel. I mean gas. It's liquid. Why it says gas? Raft storage. Thank you. What the heck? My raft is looking nice. And I'm slowly getting used to the controls. That is nice. I see church, but oftentimes churches have wolves around them. Oh, I found old lumber. No, that is a medical thing. That is a church, but I can't reach it. So, next best thing. After the medical supplies, okay. Parfum de plums. I don't know how to spell. Let's see. Any Pumbaa? Oh, I see a rattlesnake. Yeah. You can do you, dude. Will the snake follow me or attack me like the Pumbaas and dog? Please stay with me. Yeah, I see you. Not today. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fishing hook. I need 1 nuts and bolts so that I can upgrade. I got some dandelion. So many bunny rabbits. But I got enough food. Oh, I can search the car's trunk. Raft schematic. Wait, snake white. Yo. Smoker tea, bruv. I got smoker no. Smoker tea or dandelion tea. Okay. Consume so that I get well soon. Alcohol and bandage. Okay. Devil's trumpet. Okay, nice. There might be a snake there. I don't know. At night time, does the snake roam free? Like, ooh, eel acquired. Oh, hex nah. Yo, bruv, he running. Bruv, there was no wolves when I got there. No, yes, bruh, that scared me. I was like, wait a minute, I hear wolf sound, huh? So at night time, if you stay long, wolves might eat you. Okay. Rags. Ooh. I got mad handling controls. Yeah, for a second there, I was like, I'm dead. I need to upgrade my raft. Okay, taking the long way. Ah, not him again. Okay, at least it's Pumbaa. Yo. Oh heck, nah. They are cannibals. I can tell. They are cannibals. They will eat me alive. They even got that fire going. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yo, he got Mufasa. Feral children. Well met, Romer. Jeans got stick points. Need want like? You two offering me arrows? Don't need to trade, thanks. So you offering me arrows? Okay, continue. I was like, take free. We back watchers. We watch you, Romer. Watch next. Act like sibs. Help trap. Help cook. Keep on. Someday all folks back watchers. Okay. Jin's notion. Good-minded. Brain polished. Way that was. Come again never. But stick together. Could be better. Okay. Take care, Romer. Okay. Did she give me some arrows? Yes or no? Yes, she gave me one arrow. That's nice. Yo, I can upgrade now. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So I can take gasoline, so why not? Time to leave. Aesop has nothing in his mouth. What? Okay, gently. I have a... Ooh. Controls is supreme. Yo. Wait a minute, I can't see nothing. What? Nah. Oh, no. The water is calm. I was like, yo. Why is the music gone? I'm a bit scared. Are there sharks? Sea monsters. What is that? I see a radio tower, so light on supplies. I don't need supplies for the time being. Hello? Are there wolves? Ooh, who's this old man? Hello, Mr. Old Man. He got poison. Yeah. What's his name? Flim Flam. His name is Flim Flam. Yeah, well made friend. Flim Flam's the name. Barter my game. Barter's my game. Yo, he can rhyme. Now, you look like a rugged sword. Self-sufficient and able, but we all need help from time to time. No shame admitting that, is there? Suppose not. Now, seasoned travelers such as yourself, you know how the cold can stab your bones at night. Least if you lack the right, I don't know how to spell that, but I mean supplies. That was, that is what he's trying to say. Like, got me this year pouch. Be inclined to trade up, say in exchange for spear trap.
Try!
Hard bargain, but sure, not interested. Got anything else? You strike me as a similar friend. Pouch, not interested. Got anything else? Let's see what he has. Bandage for torch. What else you got? Fishing line for a flint.
Try!
What else you got? Already ran through my full stock. Some other time then, perhaps when you're better outfitted. Remember, flim flam, favorable traders you can rely on. Okay. Let's see, what do I need to make a pouch? So yeah, then if it's hard to make a pouch, I can take his pouch for a spear trap. Seems reasonable. Okay. Rabbit hide and swing kit. Bro, I got that. We got those. We have those rabbit hide and so yeah, I need just rabbit hide. Okay, capacity increased 4. And guys, this is for today cause I need to go to work and I don't want to be late. So guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, do the rest. See you on the next video. Bye.